Hi everybody, I'm bringing you guys my fast and easy peach cobbler recipe. So if you want to learn how to make peach cobbler, stay tuned. So you're going to need about 5 peaches, and what I'm doing here is cleaning the peaches off with vinegar, letting them sit in the water, and then rinsing them off. You want to make sure you remove the sticker off the peaches as well, and while they are sitting in the water, you want to bring a pot of water to a boil. Once the water is boiling, you want to add in all your peaches. Only boil your peaches for 15 to 20 seconds. Once your 15 seconds are up, you're going to submerge your peaches into ice cold water, and then we are going to start our peeling process. They're really easy to peel. I'm just having a hard time because I have gloves on. So you just want to make sure you peel all your peaches. So here I'm just showing you guys how I cut my peaches. Just follow my technique. It's really easy. The peaches should just come right off. Oh, look. But yeah, you just want to do this with all your peaches, okay? All around. Alright, so we have all of our peaches cut. Now we are going to season our peaches. I'm going to start with this much butter, and I have my skillet on medium heat, and then you just want to start adding in all of your peaches. As soon as I get all of my peaches in the pot, I'm going to add in a little bit of butter on top. Move it all around until the butter melts. I want to make sure it looks kind of creamy, like this next clip right here. So here I'm adding in some cornstarch, and I'm giving you guys a measurement with my spoon because I lost my measuring cups. Yeah, so you're just gonna make sure you get all the cornstarch all over the peaches. This is vanilla extract. So we're going to let all of those seasonings cook for about 4 minutes or until your pot comes to a simmer. Here we are going in with our sugar. This is white granulated sugar. I did 2 spoonfuls, and then I did 2 spoonfuls of brown sugar. Just be mindful with your sugar because peaches are naturally sweet, so just be mindful with that. Now you just want to stir all those juices together, and here I'm adding in some nutmeg and some salt. These 2 are optional. I taste as I go, so whatever I need, I just add it. There I added some cinnamon, and I don't have a measurement for cinnamon. You can add as much cinnamon as you want, okay? Okay, now here I have my store-bought pie crust and my pan that I'm using to make my peach cobbler in. You're going to butter it up and start spreading the pie crust down on the pan. But if you have a rolling pin, I recommend you go over the dough with a rolling pin first so it can extend the dough. So just work with your dough, get it around your pot evenly. When you're finished, preheat your oven to 355 degrees Fahrenheit and put your pot in there for 5 minutes. So here we have my second pie crust, and what I'm doing here is cutting lines straight down the middle of the pie crust. So this is how your pie crust should look after you take it out the oven. Now we are going to start filling. Yes, I did add cinnamon to the bottom of the pie crust, but this step is optional. Now here we are starting our layers. If you feel like your layers are too long, you can cut the tip of the layers. So with the leftover dough, I like to fill in the edges of my pan just for presentation reasons to make it look better. So now you want to preheat your oven to 355. Cook your peach cobbler for about 35 to 40 minutes. Just make sure you're checking it on the last 10 minutes to see if it's browning up. And there you have it, out of the oven after 40 minutes. And here I'm just painting it with some melted butter. Now you can add in your scoop of ice cream and enjoy. Thank you for watching.